Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to use big and small tag in HTML language. Let's open the compiler and here you can see we have some text in HTML tags. So let's add tag big, and after that now we can close this tag in the end, and here we can add small tag. And now close this tag in the end. Now let's save the program, and after that here you can see this is the text that we have. And now let's refresh the page. So now here you can see this is one time big and this is one time small. So in this way you can easily use big and small tag in HTML language.